I'm Morgan Hamilton from Selwood Pump Hire. I'm a solutions manager that helps put projects like this together. We're on the Isle of Wight at Ryde, along the seafront, in front of an overpumping system. Overpumping systems to alleviate a blocked sewer. The sewer is a crucial part of the infrastructure for the neighbouring town. Prevents flooding, deals with all the flows from people's toilets to wash water to shower water. Selwood became aware from a out of hours call out in which we responded by putting a temporary solution together which consisted of an array of diesel pumps and temporary pipework. It took the guys about 4 hours to completely set the whole temporary solution up. During this time, we solutions managers, myself, attended site and started coming up with a more robust plan. The system we had to design had to overcome high flows of 900 litres a second, multiple sewers connecting onto the sewer, and logistical problems of getting to the island with all the equipment. Some of the challenges that we came across was leaving access for the RNLI, access to the beach. There was tankering problems due to the high volume of tankers being used, and the temporary solution was also a problem due to it being in the way of where we needed to put a more robust system. Some of the things to help us overcome the challenges of the planning stages is that Selwood use a CAD design engineer to help produce projects. We also have calculations available to us that allow us to do wind calculations on the pipe crossings, load calculations. CAD systems are a crucial part in planning stages, so we're able to produce documents for the customer to see what we're trying to achieve, helps them understand what the project's going to consist of and what sort of implications it's going to have on the area. The CAD drawings are also used when the guys are installing the system, helps them understand how the system needs to be put together. Some of the things we take into account when we're doing a site survey is the risks that are involved, pedestrians that could be in the area, environmental considerations, noise considerations, logistical problems you could come across, and lifting requirements. Using submersible pumps wasn't really an option due to the chamber of the sewer not being big enough. The high flows demanded a large pump which was unable to fit inside the sewer. To keep the levels low in the sewer, we decided to use immersible pumps, which is a pump fitted with a suction priming system. 3 pumps behind us consist of a duty assist standby pumps. There's a duty standby generator. It's also fitted with telemetry for remote monitoring of the system. The discharge consists of approximately 800 metres of 500mm pipework that's also fitted with a road crossing to allow access to the beach for the RNLI. The pipework's all flange pipework to lower the risk of any leaks. It's also fitted with a drain down system, so when the pipework needs to be removed, it can be flushed and drained properly, preventing any spillages onto the beach. The system's now been running for a number of months. It's proven very robust. It's dealt with all different types of weather, from storm flows, flooding, to really dry weather and minimal flows. The impact's been minimal to the residents. They've still been able to use their toilets and showers and get rid of their wastewater.